So this is our first time to drive in Mr. Car Wash. And yeah, going there. Wait, doon
Oh.
kasi may ano siya.
Oh.
Atras.
Okay, wait. Ah, okay. No. Okay.
No.
I see it.
No.
Forward.
Because your wheel
wheel.
dapat yun yung doon sa loob.
Oh, sa loob nga.
Yeah. Okay.
Oops. Wait. For a moment. Ah, ito.
Here, just go forward with how your wheel is right now.
Okay. Okay, just forward.
Yeah, forward with how your wheel is right now. All right, keep going. All right, stop. Straighten your wheel out.
Straight, just straight.
Just like that, and
Oh,
then
straight.
pull straight forward. You're all good.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Thank
perfect.
you.
No problem. You have a good day.
You too.
You too. Okay.
Please follow neutral.
Oh, neutral? Okay.
Take your foot off the brakes and off the steering wheel.
Okay. Oh.
Okay. Foot of brake. Yeah.
Foot brake.
Your foot off the brakes.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry.
Take your foot off the brakes.
Okay.
Hold your foot on your brakes again.
Okay. Ah, okay. Hindi ko nang
Hey, babe, yan mo. I-brake. Brake
Press
mo
the
muna,
brake?
tapos yan yung parking.
Ha?
Yung i-brake mo, tapos yung parking. Yan natin. Yan, okay na.
Okay. Yeah. Ah, mag-isa na lang pala.
Yeah, car in neutral, foot of brake.
Foot of brake. Okay. I see it.
So here it is.
Oh, I just have to. Okay. So, isa siyang ganun.
So here it is, guys. So it's still raining outside. Just kidding. Oh, cool. Then rings. And I think that's it. And there's the blower. Okay, then we're good to go. Okay. Sige, babe. Let's go. Please do not stop at our exit. So, there's a free vacuum. Let's go there, babe. Or there, go there, babe.
Okay. Let's go there.
Yeah. So, a free vacuum, like somewhere. Not that one, the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, here. We're gonna have a free vacuum.